Hey everyone, welcome back to Apple Insider. Today, we're taking a quick look at something a little outside the Apple ecosystem but definitely worth your attention. The upcoming Infinix Smart 9 HD is set to launch in 2025, and it's shaping up to be one of the most surprisingly capable budget phones we've seen in a while. From the moment you pick it up, it doesn't feel like a budget device. Infinix is going for a sleek, futuristic aesthetic with an ultra-slim design, curved edges, and a holographic back panel that shifts color depending on how the light hits it. It's giving strong premium vibes, without the premium price tag. Up front, you're looking at a 6.8-inch AMOLED display, Full HD+ resolution, and a 120Hz refresh rate. That's the kind of screen tech we'd expect on mid-range or even flagship devices. And while it's not quite as bright as an iPhone 15 Pro's panel, it's vibrant and smooth enough to make you do a double take, especially when you remember this is a sub-$200 phone. Performance-wise, it's powered by the new MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra chip, paired with 6 or 8 GB of RAM depending on the variant. It's not going to crush any benchmark charts, but for day-to-day tasks, social media, multitasking, and even some light gaming, it's going to hold up just fine. And Infinix's new software skin, XOS 14 based on Android 14, is lighter, faster, and a lot less cluttered than previous versions. One area that caught our attention is the camera setup. It's a dual-lens system with a 50-megapixel main sensor, boosted by eye enhancements. While we're not expecting iPhone-level image processing here, it does deliver surprisingly crisp shots in good lighting and passable low-light performance. There's even a basic night mode and electronic image stabilization for video, which is a nice touch at this price. Battery life is another strong point. The Smart 9 HD packs a 5,200 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging. Realistically, you're looking at well over a full day of usage, or even 2 days for lighter users. There's also a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, dual SIM support, a microSD slot, and yes, they've kept the headphone jack. It's clear Infinix is aiming this phone at users who want a dependable device without the frills or the $1,000 price tag. And in that sense, they've nailed it. While it's not going to convert hardcore Apple fans, it could definitely serve as a great secondary phone, a reliable option for younger users, or a smart choice in markets where affordability is everything. What's interesting is how much innovation we're starting to see at the lower end of the market. In a world where flagship phones are getting more expensive, devices like the Smart 9 HD remind us that great tech doesn't always have to break the bank. If you're curious about more tech beyond Apple or just want to stay ahead of what everyone else is doing, make sure to subscribe. We've got more coverage coming on the best budget alternatives, the wildest concepts from MWC 2025, and of course, all things Apple. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.